Hi everyone, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and I'm so excited to see you there because today we're going to talk about most excited topic because today I will present you top 5 ideas for point-based reward systems. And let's begin. First of all, I'm going to open the card section from classical Boomerangme account, as you can see, and I have prepared 3 different ideas of 2 most popular brands from the Starbucks and McDonald's to make it clear and understandable for each of us, okay? And let's start from the very beginning, from the first idea. For the point-based card, it's exactly what Starbucks reward program is. Let me please present you the idea. Look, their offer sounds like it. First of all, you need to spend your you can spend your money, of course, in Starbucks, and each spent dollar will equal and will get back to you as a 1 star on your bonus point balance. And when you collect 25 stars, you can select and redeem the first reward, like customize your drink. 100 of stars you can redeem for brewed hot or iced coffee or tea, bakery item, or packaged snack, and more. 200 for something else, 300 for something else, and 400 for something else. It means when you collect some bonus point balance, some number of stamps on your account, you could redeem your stars for different levels, different tiers of rewards. And I believe you already know about that. Let me please show you how to customize the same promotion literally in 5 minutes in Boomerangme account and run the same promotion for your coffee shop or your coffee shop multi-location store or franchise chain as well. Well, first of all, as usual, we have an opportunity to choose the barcode, like PDF for 17. It's literally the barcode and the QR code as well. Next one, the reward program rules. We need to choose spend because we will track how many our customers transact, how much they transact in our location. And for each transaction, for each dollar amount value, we will add bonus points back on the bonus point balance. And here is the place where we can customize and set up the rules. For example, we will add 10 bonus points for each spent dollars, or we can equal, $1 to 1 point. It's up to you. Like I prefer to set up 1 to 1. Spend $1 to 1 bonus point. Okay, go ahead. Here is the place where you could customize your reward tier. Starting from the first one, customize your drink. We created the same setting like Starbucks has. 25 points equal to the custom reward. Without any usage limit, it means you can redeem these rewards as many times as you want, right? And here is the place when you could fill in your reward name. And your customer will see the list of available rewards, the number of bonus points, and select what they want to redeem right now in this visit. The second tier, brewed hot or iced coffee or tea, bakery item, or packaged snack and more. 100 points equal to custom reward without usage limit. Handcrafted drink or hot breakfast for 200 points. That's actually, we need to customize because we need to set up the custom for 200. Handcrafted drink or hot breakfast. Let's fill in the right information here. Handcrafted drink or hot breakfast. That's it. And for 300 sandwich, for 400, select Starbucks merchandise. And also, if we want to offer some limited offers, limited promotions to our customers, for example, free side dish and handcrafted coffee for 500 points custom and set up for each customer, this reward could be redeemed just 5 times, not more. And also, what a good news, you could run and add short-term and limited promotions every time you want. Even if you activate the card and start enroll your customers into this promotion, you could add some, flash promotions right inside your general and regular promotions at the time. Next one, classical setup for card expiration date, lifetime points. If you want to get your customers back more often, I highly recommend to use fixed term after bonuses earned. It means, for example, we will set up, for example, 14 days after the last transaction, and your customers need to visit your location and spend again during the next 14 days to save the current bonus point balance. If they do not visit your location, the last amount of added points will be burned from the account balance. This is a good motivation to visit your location more and more, obviously. Also, here's the place where you can add your geolocations to set up geofenced messages, which works around 330 feet around your location for all cardholders who participate in your loyalty program. Next one, language customization, date format, thousands, decimal separators, purchase amount when charging. This is the very important thing because, it allows you to understand how many dollars they spend if you're using the scanner application to proceed transaction with the customer cards. If you work standalone, if you work with this promotion using API integration with your point of sale system or CRM system, it doesn't make any sense to set up this rule because you will work without any scanner application like flawlessly. And all transaction will be going through the API. Here's the place where you can customize the card issuing form. By default, we're asking for the first name, last name, phone number, email, date of birth. You can add your own fields if you want, or just deselect someone because we're selling coffee. It doesn't make any sense to ask for an age, for example. Just one thing, it makes sense to ask for an age if you want to celebrate your customers and congrats them on their birthdays. That's the good idea. Okay, next one, UTM links. You can create as many as you want to distribute your card across different digital channels like your social media, like your website, like your email mailing list or something like that. Phone mask customization, privacy policy, Google Wallet installation button. Some limits. If you want to set up this promotion like a short-term and limited offer, you could select the limit of number of issued cards in general. Number of welcome bonus points. Highly recommend to set up something like 10 bonus points for the card installation to literally increase the conversion rate of participation in your loyalty program, or just give you one simple and really powerful idea. The first item cost us 25 bonus points. We can set up literally 25 welcome bonus points when your customer enroll in your loyalty program. It means your customers will be rewarded even in the first visit. And this is the good emotional connection to your brand and good incentive to get back to your location again and again. Okay. Next one, track visits when redeem reward. We need to select this opportunity to properly collect the number of visits and number of spends. Earn points when redeem reward. Analytics field here. Design, I have already customized it to make it looks like a real native Starbucks loyalty card. And the good idea, again, is to show your list of rewards right inside of front of your card, right? To make it clear, make it understandable, and to help your customers understand how many they need to collect and for which rewards they can redeem their bonus points. Moving forward, and last step with information, the place where we can fill in our promotional name, company name. I highly recommend to don't hesitate to activate your referral program because it's a great opportunity to scale your customer base without additional investment in marketing. Use the active links for your website, social media, your address, phone number, and etc. Feedback links to collect additional reviews on Google Maps, Google My Business, Yelp, and other review services. Terms of use, link for full terms and conditions, and card issuer information. That's actually it. I spent 9 minutes to set up this loyalty card. You can do it much faster if you do it without any explanation, if you just will do the main work and customize the loyalty card. This card is ready to be installed. If you have your phone around you, just take in your hands, open the native camera app, scan this QR code, and enroll in this loyalty program to understand the main user journey. And we kindly moving to the next point-based loyalty program idea based on McDonald's. And let me show you how it works. Push the button edit. We need to select rewards card type for this idea and go to the settings. At the setting page, I will skip all the settings that we have already explained with the previous card. I just want to show you the differences between. For example, if we're talking about default McDonald's rewards program, they equal $1 spent to 100 bonus points, and we will do the same just to completely repeat the same promotional rules. Next one. We also copied and paste all loyalty tiers from the from the McDonald's reward program. For 1,500 points, we can redeem them for cheeseburger, hash brown, vanilla Coke, cone, and McChicken. The second tier for 3,000 points, we can redeem them to medium fries, 6 chicken McNuggets, sausage burrito, large iced coffee. For 4,500, we can redeem them for large fries and blah, blah, blah. And as you can see, we completely copied and paste the loyalty promotion for food and beverage. And it could be the same for your restaurant, for your bar, for your quick service restaurant, fine dining restaurant. Doesn't matter, any food and beverage business could run with a reward program, with reward loyalty mechanic, because it's a good opportunity just to incentivize your customers and retain them like a pro, like McDonald's does, right? And you could do it literally in 5 minutes. Card expiration date, lifetime points. Also, don't hesitate to use this opportunity. For example, 1 month, the lifetime, fixed lifetime of the bonus points after the last earning. This is important. Locations, language, date format, separators. We will skip all those steps to move forward. Just want to say that in terms of design, we customize this card with McDonald's guideline, with their logo, with their arc, M letter here, the arc, like they name it. And you could put any images here. You could put some engagement message, or you could put, as I shown you previously, the rules and reward tiers to make it clear and understandable for card holders to understand quickly for what they can redeem their bonus points right now. That's actually it. This card has been created and ready to be installed. Don't hesitate to take your phone and scan this QR code right from my presentation right now. Put it on pause if you want to get more time, and go through the main customer journey flow to understand how it's simple, how it's convenient, and why it's better than install any native loyalty application at the time, because digital loyalty cards for Apple Wallet and Google Play installs 10 times at least faster than other native loyalty applications in the world. And we kindly moving forward to the third idea of point-based reward program. The same Starbucks loyalty card with bonus points and reward tiers, but with a little bit different rules for accrual. In this case, we will add bonus points not for the spend, but for visits, to track number of visits, like we did with the stamp cards, right? But in this case, we will have more flexible solution with more opportunities and more ideas to realize here. For example, we can add 10 bonus points for each visit in our location. Also, we can restrict the number of check-ins a day. For example, if you run the coffee shop, I don't think it's a good idea to restrict the number of check-ins a day, because for me personally, I'm a coffee fan and I can grab, 2, 3, maybe 4 cups of coffee a day. But if you're talking about the nail polish salon, obviously we do not need to visit this location every day, and this is why it makes sense to activate this checkbox to avoid any fraud and any, not fair usage of your loyalty program. Moving forward, the rules could be actually the same. We could just copy and paste all the promotion from the previous setup, like for 25 bonus points. We could set up the custom rewards, and it will be like customize your drink and etc. etc. If you do not want to use a lot of reward tiers, you could play with just one if you want, to make it simple, to make it clear for your customers, for your employees. Yes, it's possible, but I highly recommend to give some options, give some variations for your customers to set this loyalty promotion, not only for retaining them, but to also use gamification opportunities, because people love to play games, right? And you could invite them to play this game with your brand. And this is opportunity absolutely insane. That's awesome. Next one, expiration date for the card, expiration lifetime for the points. In this case, let's set up the same 14 days like we did previously. We can add locations, up to 10 locations for each card template to show geofenced push messages to invite your customers with your loyalty cards who walking around your location. We can invite them, remind them about your promotions, special drops. And the good news, it's absolutely free. Let's move forward. Language, setup, date format, separators, purchase amount, blah, blah, blah. Card issuing form customization, UTM links, the place where you could create unlimited number of UTM links to distribute your loyalty card across different channels. It could be not also online channels, it could be the offline channels. For example, by default, we create the link and the QR code with default UTM link QR, because we expect that you will download this QR code and place in your promotions and place in your location via QR code. Also, for example, you could use circlet stickers, and we can create additional QR code, additional UTM link and QR code, especially for stickers. And the good news, you can create unlimited number of UTM links to track your channels separately and understand their performance. Phone mask, privacy policy, Google Wallet installation button, highly recommend to activate it, because the good news here that Google Wallet right now natively supports native push notifications via the application. It means you could communicate with your customer base via the free push notifications, not only on iOS, but also on Android device as well. It means you can cover 100% of your customer base right now. That's the good news. Limitations for the number of issued cards, limitation for number of points when issued cards. It means, welcome bonus points. Highly recommend to set some number of points to incentivize your customers, install more loyalty cards, and increase conversion rate for the card installation. This is active, this is active. Push the button continue. Design, as you can see, in this case, I just want to show you the case where we want to show our tiers. This is just a promotional design, promotional image to capture attention of our customers. Also works very well. And moving forward to the information page, which is actually the same like with the previous card, your promotion name, company name, and etc. Don't hesitate to use referral program. And that's the idea when we set up the point-based reward program based on the visits instead of spend. The next idea for the point-based reward card is to set up this card only for referral program to attract more customers in your locations. For these reasons, we can use the same loyalty card that we explained just now, a reward-based card, and based on visits, not only on spend. How it will work? In this case, you will add some visits, not for the visits in your location, but for invite the friends by the referral program. In this case, when someone invite a friend, and this friend make the first purchase in your business, you will reward both of them, the referrer and the invitee. And this is why we name it like a safety referral program. You pay only when you have some money on the table from your new customers, from the invitees and referrals. And the last idea for this video, it's point-based reward card designed especially for your employees to incentivize them and motivate, work harder and work more for your business and for your success. Let me please show you how it works. We can just make the copy from the latest card. The card has been copied. We open this card, push the edit button, and in the settings, we need to change the rule of the accrual. In this case, we need to select points only, not based by spends, not based by visits, but the points. In this case, you can set up rewards not for the customers, but for your employees to motivate them. And you could set up for them absolutely different rewards. For example, what it could be 20% off for whole menu, one-time offer for 25 points, for example, custom reward with one-time usage limit. The next one, and the next one, I believe you can design your ideas and set up your reward tiers without any problems. And the main idea is you can add bonus points to your employees, as many as you want, every time you want, for achievement, for some achievements, for achieving some goals. Positive for business, of course. And when your employee will collect 25 bonus points, your employee can get $20, 20% off for whole menu to celebrate this great success in your location. This is how it works for employees, and this is also absolutely great opportunity to motivate your customers visit your location more often, but your employees to work more harder and cater to them, serve them as better as they can. This is how it works. If you like this video, please push the like button and subscribe on our YouTube channel. If you want to get more videos, please comment more under this video. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Take care.